Unlocking the secret of catching attention in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, the concept of catching attention. Whether you're a learner aiming to improve your communication skills or just curious about English phrases, understanding how to catch someone's attention is crucial. So, let's get started and explore this topic together. To catch attention means to attract someone's interest or focus. It's about making someone notice or become interested in something. This phrase is often used in contexts where you want to highlight the importance of being noticeable or memorable, whether in conversation, presentations, or even in writing. The key here is to stand out in a way that engages others and draws them into what you're saying or showing. Catching attention is essential because it is the first step in effective communication. Without capturing your audience's interest, it can be challenging to convey your message or achieve your communication goals. This is especially true in environments filled with distractions or when conveying complex information. Capturing someone's attention ensures that they are receptive to your message, making your communication efforts more effective. There are several strategies to catch attention in English. Use strong and vivid language. Words that evoke images or emotions can be incredibly engaging. Ask questions. Posing questions can spark curiosity and encourage listeners to think actively about the topic. Tell a story. Stories can humanize your message and make it more relatable. Use humor. Appropriately used humor can make your communication more enjoyable and memorable. Pause for effect. Strategic pauses can emphasize your points and keep listeners on their toes, wondering what's next. Here are some examples of how the concept of catching attention might be used. In marketing, an ad might catch your attention with a catchy slogan or a vibrant image. In a classroom, a teacher might use an unusual fact or question to catch students' attention before introducing a new topic. During a presentation, the speaker might start with a personal anecdote to draw the audience into the discussion. Catching attention is a vital skill in both everyday conversations and formal communication. It's all about making your message stand out and resonate with your audience. We hope this video has shed some light on how to effectively catch someone's attention in English. Keep practicing these strategies, and you'll find your communication skills improving over time. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.